Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and this week we're here with the Decoder tip of the month, or the week, or, well, let's figure it out together. Now, with the Decoder tip of the month, I don't have anything to show off today, because most of what we're going to talk about is actually found on our website at SoundTraxx.com. So one of the biggest questions we get a lot of times is, do you have a sound for XYZ, or do you have this particular prime mover? Or one of the most common ones is, where's your galloping goose? Well, if you're not sure what sounds actually come with the decoders, now remember the SoundTraxx decoders are preloaded, so they come with these sounds already preloaded, so all you have to do is install the decoder and start running your trains. But to do that, you want to select the correct sound file that will go with the model that you're looking to install the decoder in. And the reason for that is because that way we can test the decoders here in-house, and then it also saves you a whole lot of time, because how do you test a blank disc to know whether it works or not? So you can't test a memory or anything like that if it doesn't have anything in it. So we do that here. It also frees you up from being the end of my manufacturing process by making you have to install the sounds. But you purchase the decoder, and like, for example, Steam, you're going to get basically the Steam decoder. Now the Steam is called Steam 2 because when we first announced the Tsunami 2, there was a Steam version that had 63 whistles, but then we added to it. So to differentiate between the 63 whistle version and the 90 whistle version, we call it Steam 2. But when it comes to diesels, there's a lot more different variations. They're usually grouped by family. So we have EMD 2, and I'll get to that in just a second. ALCO, then we have GE, and then we have what I lovingly refer to as the land of misfit toys, known as the Baldwin Others. And this is where you're actually going to find the galloping goose, because it's considered an other when it comes to the prime mover listings. We also have the electric versions as well, so you can do trolley, streetcars, and all of that. Now, if you're wondering which decoder you should purchase, or if you're not sure what sounds to find on which decoder, you can do that on our website at SoundTraxx.com. If you go under the support tab and then pull out documentation, you'll see a nice clean link there where you can see all the sounds that are preloaded into all of the various decoders, whether it's a Blue Nami, Tsunami 2, Eco Nami, or whichever you want, and all the different variations, including our Big Steam. And the Big Steam is a slight variation of our regular Steam 2, but it includes the sounds of the big boys. Now, when it comes to the EMD, I mentioned there's EMD and EMD2. Now, we thought it would be fun to have a little play on words with EMD nomenclature, calling it the EMD-2, but so many people took it very, very seriously that, oh, well, all the -2s are on this EMD2. And it's not really. We were trying to have a little fun, but anyway, so what you're going to find on the EMD2 version is a separate set of EMD 567, 645, and 710 prime movers, but some of the lesser used versions. And so you can see that on these sound selection references. So if you go to EMD, you'll see one list of prime movers. You go to EMD2, you'll see a similar list, but there's slight variations, including the 20-cylinder 645 turbo and the 12-cylinder 567. Now, if you guys know what those are for, comment in the section below so that way we know you're paying attention. Anyway, so if you ever want to be sure which sounds are on there, or if you want to find whether we have the product for you, just go to there and check those sound selection references out. And then if you are really stuck and you can't find the one you're looking for, give us a call or an email to support@soundtraxx.com. We'll be glad to help you out. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to go to SoundTraxx.com so you can get your 35th anniversary t-shirt on our website exclusively for this year. Now remember, these are collector's items because we only have a limited amount of them, so be sure to get yours today. So guys, that's it for this week. Just wanted to highlight where we've moved those so they're easier to find, so that way you can get the decoder you're looking for the first time.